Did you know that you can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? In fact, that's exactly what I do, and I personally run 9 different YouTube channels, 8 of which I have never even shown my face, yet I've still been able to get millions of subscribers on those channels and make a ton of money on them. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over 9 different video ideas to help you with making money on YouTube without ever showing your face. And along with showing you these 9 different YouTube video ideas, I'm also gonna show you how you can go about making these videos yourself, and I'm gonna show you actual example channels that make these videos so you can get a better idea of exactly what to do. So the number 9 video idea is by recording life hacks. And a great example channel that's doing this is a channel called 5-Minute Crafts. Now 5-Minute Crafts gets an insane 155 million views every single month just on their channel alone. Not to mention that they have a bunch of other channels where they translate 5-Minute Crafts into a bunch of different languages, each of which is getting tens of millions of views by themselves. And these videos are super simple life hacks, just using everyday objects around the house, filmed on a really bright background. Now you can just buy super bright paper from either Dollar Tree or Walmart, put it on a table, and put your camera on a tripod and simply film your hands doing these life hacks. Now the number 8 video idea is woodworking videos. Now there's tons of huge woodworking videos and woodworking channels on YouTube, and I actually recorded a complete step-by-step tutorial video showing you exactly how you can start a woodworking channel yourself. And I even show you the best way of monetizing and making money from that channel without even being monetized from YouTube. So click right here if you're interested in checking out that video, and also I'll leave a link down to that video in the description as well. Number 7 is meditation videos. There's huge channels on YouTube that simply upload meditation videos where it's somebody doing a voiceover for a meditation. And one of the best examples of a meditation channel is a channel called Michael Seeley. This guy never even shows his face on most of his meditation videos, yet he's still able to get millions of views per month on his YouTube channel. Now, I recorded a whole step-by-step tutorial on making a meditation channel and outsourcing the video creation. So click here to check out that video, and in that video I show you exactly how to hire other people to make the meditation videos for you. And this enables you to not make any videos at all. Number 6 is with scary story videos. Scary story videos are huge on YouTube. A channel called Mr. Nightmare, who simply reads scary stories, has nearly 5 million subscribers and gets over 10 million views per month on his channel. Now these videos are really easy to make. You simply record voiceovers and you don't need any fancy equipment to do this. I started out doing this on my phone. And then you put a royalty-free picture as the background of that video. And Pixabay.com is an amazing place to get free images to put in the backgrounds of your videos. Number 5 is top 10 videos. I'm sure you've seen videos like this on the internet that go over the top 10 fastest cars or the top 10 scariest videos on the internet. And top 10 videos, again, all they require is for you to do a voiceover, or you can even hire people to do the voiceovers for you. And I personally run a couple very successful top 10 channels, and they do very well. Number 4 is by using stock footage. So you can go to places like Pexels.com and Pixabay.com and find free stock footage that you can put in the backgrounds of your YouTube videos and simply do a voiceover on top of that stock footage. Now, a great example of this is a channel called Brainy Dose, which simply does psychology videos, and they put stock footage in the background of their videos, and they still get millions of views every single month on their channel. The number 3 way to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face is by using a slideshow. Now, you can use completely free tools like Google Slides to make slideshows, and there's a lot of channels on YouTube that simply make slideshows and record their screens during the slideshow and do a voiceover on top of the slides and get a ton of views. Now, a great example of this is a channel called Permission to Exist, and they just simply make videos about narcissism and how to cope with it. And all they do is do a voiceover and put a slideshow in the backgrounds of their videos, and they've managed to get almost 70,000 subscribers and get over 100,000 views per month on their YouTube channel. The number 2 video idea is by doing unboxing videos. Now, unboxing videos are great because you don't need to show your face. You can simply angle your camera up above you and film your hands doing the unboxing of a certain thing, whether it's a tech gadget or a toy or whatever it is. Unboxing videos are a great way to get a ton of views on YouTube, and there's tons of huge channels that simply do unboxing videos. And now before we get to the number one video idea, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I come out with regular videos on how to make money on YouTube and more importantly, how you can too. Now the number one video idea to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face is animation videos. Animation videos are huge on YouTube and there's tons of huge channels that simply make animation videos and make a ton of money from them. Some examples of some huge animation channels on YouTube are The Infographics Show and a channel called Brightside. Now this might require you to know how to animate videos, or you could hire someone else to animate the videos for you. But a really great example is a channel called Angry Prash, which has over 3 million subscribers, and it's literally based off of an image that was made in Microsoft Paint. So I hope this list of 9 YouTube video ideas to make money on YouTube without showing your face helps you guys a ton. Now, if you want to discover how I run 9 different YouTube channels and make $30,000 a month from them, check out my completely free training at the link in the description that's going to show you exactly how I do it. Check out my step-by-step course and community called Tube Mastery and Monetization. The link will be down below if you're interested in joining the course. And we have a ton of amazing students in the course member community, so if you're interested in joining, link will be down below. So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you're interested in more videos on how to make money on YouTube without recording any videos, check out this playlist right here. It's full of a bunch of helpful videos that are going to help you guys a ton. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.